What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I believe to be the best affiliate marketing strategy so you can go out there and start to generate commissions as soon as this week. Now, maybe you found this video because you're someone that's brand new to affiliate marketing. You have no idea how it works, but you like the idea to be able to go out there, refer people to products that you don't have to create and still make money. Or maybe you're someone that's been doing affiliate marketing for a while. You've been going out there, you've been trying to get some leads and sales, and you've been kind of struggling. Well, I want to simplify the process and share with you my 5 years of full-time experience with you. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and know exactly what you need to be doing on a daily basis. Now, before I dive into the exact strategy, if you're brand new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step affiliate marketing training, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're always notified of my latest training. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 affiliate marketing system that has websites, follow-up emails, and high converting products to start promoting, be sure to go to the first link in the description and check that out. Without further ado, let me dive in right now. So what you have to understand when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's really just 3 main steps that you need to be doing on a daily basis to make sales and money. And a lot of people overcomplicate this. I know when I first got started about 5 years ago, I was struggling. I was, barely making ends meet. I was a waiter. I was coming home at the end of the day on my computer, and I was trying to figure out this whole affiliate marketing thing. And I was very overwhelmed. I was very, confused with all the wealth of knowledge that was just bombarding me through emails, Facebook posts, YouTube videos. So what I want to do is simplify. First off, what are the 3 main steps? Well, really it's just getting traffic, leads, and sales. Okay, traffic, leads, and sales. That's really all it takes to make money with the affiliate marketing business model. Now, what is traffic? If you're someone that's maybe brand new or you don't know, traffic is just getting eyeballs or people to click your link. Okay, so if you're promoting an affiliate link, then it's getting people to click your link. Now, getting a lead is someone that's put their email address into your website, okay? So assuming you're promoting a capture page, not just directly your affiliate sales page, which I've covered, you don't wanna just promote your affiliate sales page because on average 2 out of 100 people are gonna buy instantly. So you're leaving 98 people that could potentially buy if you followed up with them. So you always wanna be promoting a capture page. So you wanna get traffic or eyeballs or clicks to your website, okay? The website's a capture page which collects someone's email, and then once they put their email in, that's a lead. And then you wanna follow up through emails which convert that person into a sale, okay? Traffic, leads, and sales. Now, what is the strategy? Well, once you set up your website, okay, once you have a capture page that collects at least 40% of people that hit that page, their email, okay, that's a good conversion rate, at least 40%. Once you have that and you have at least 7 follow-up emails set up, okay, you wanna do 7 because it takes on average 7 to 12 exposures for someone to actually buy something. So if you have 7 follow-up emails that are already pre-written and scheduled, okay, so when someone puts their email in, they start getting this drip feed of emails, 1 per day. Once you have that set up, all you have to do is focus on getting traffic. Okay, so the affiliate marketing strategy I want to share with you is how you can actually start getting traffic, right? Now, there's really 2 main ways you can get traffic. There's free methods and there's paid methods, okay? So with free methods, that's basically where you have to invest your time, okay? So that's creating blog posts, that's creating Facebook posts, YouTube videos, okay? This is free marketing. It doesn't cost anything monetarily, but you have to invest your time. So if you're someone that maybe has a lot of free time, but not a lot of money, I would recommend you start with free marketing, okay? Now, diving even deeper into free marketing, you don't wanna be on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all at one time, okay? A lot of people make this mistake. I did when I first got started. I thought, hey, the more sites I'm on, the better. But what you have to realize is the riches are really in focusing on one main source, okay? If you look at every top person, we all say the same thing. We got started on one main source and then we spread ourselves out, okay? So for me, it was YouTube, right? YouTube, I love creating videos. I love teaching. It's very easy for me. So I just focused on YouTube and then I promoted my Instagram and other things. You know, a lot of people, they just make their money with Facebook, okay? They're just focusing on one thing, and then they start promoting other social media platforms and products and things like that, okay? So focus on one main traffic source. Now, if you have not a lot of time, right? Maybe you're working a job, maybe 2 jobs, maybe you have a big family and you just don't have a lot of time in the day, you can actually take some of your money and you can invest that into advertising, okay? This is called paid traffic. Now, there's a lot of ways you can do paid traffic, right? You can run YouTube ads, you can do Facebook advertising, you can do solo ads, okay? And I have a lot of videos on my channel on how to actually run a solo ad. I like solo ads, especially for the make money online niche, because sometimes like Facebook and YouTube, they look down on these type of products. But with solo ads, what you can do is pay someone who have a large email list of leads. You can pay that person to send an email to them promoting whatever product or website you want. So that's a really shortcut way to, do it. So I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. This is the best affiliate marketing strategy. You want to set up your website, okay, set up your follow-up emails, and then just focus on one main traffic source. If you don't have a lot of time, do paid traffic. If you don't have a lot of money, do free traffic, okay? Focus on one main traffic source. Start to get leads, okay? At least 30 leads a day. That's a good goal to shoot for. And then you can start to scale up through other traffic methods and other means. So if you got value in this video and you want me to make more, be sure to like this video and also subscribe so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step weekly videos. And last but not least, if you're watching this and this made sense, but maybe you don't have a website or a capture page, maybe you don't know how to write good follow-up emails, and maybe you're just looking for high converting products to start promoting, be sure to click the first link in the description. It's going to take you to a done-for-you affiliate system that gives you all these tools and resources so you can go out there as soon as today and start to get results, okay? So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.